Hello friends and welcome to Fountaindale Library Children's Department, where we're here to celebrate a very special event in Bolingbrook. Fountaindale Library is partnering with the City of Bolingbrook to celebrate Kindness Day. If you've been in, you may have seen a little bag like this. It's full of things for you to do and to participate and share with us this very special event. In addition to this bag, we have something new that we'd like to show you that you can check out here at the library. If you'll come with me, I'll take you on a little trip around the library. Well, friends, if you've ever been to Fountaindale Library, you know that we have lots of books, and libraries are information services. In addition to books, we have welcomed into our library over the last few years something called a STEAMbox. It's a discovery box. There may be something sciencey or artsy in there, but we have a brand new special one that I want to share with you. This one represents Kindness Day, and there are games and activities to do inside that celebrate kindness. Now, I think we need to head over and take a peek and see what's in here. How about you? Okay, friends, here we are in our Creativity Park, and we're ready to open up our Kindness Day STEAMbox. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness. I'm going to pull everything out. Well, here is the sheet that tells us everything that's in. We have a bag, a board game, a book, a booklet, a guide for grown-ups, and instructions on how to play the game. Really quick, here is our instructions on the game and our game board and pieces. Here's our guide for grown-ups, a little booklet. Let's help our friends and neighbors. And friends make me feel razzmatazz. What does razzmatazz mean to you? I know what it means to me, but this is especially for you. Friends, there are lots of problems on these cards, and we have kind ways to help people. So these are just a discovery of how to be kind. And behind us, we have our bulletin board that reminds us that kindness grows. With each act of kindness that you do, another bloom occurs and other people pick up on that kindness and their kindness too. Friends, I want to share my kindness with you so you can share your kindness with others. Come into the library, check out a STEAMbox or some books, and enjoy Kindness Day with the entire city of Bolingbrook. Thanks. See you soon. Love you.